Calendars turn to fall. Field hockey's opened up Big East play with head coach Justine Sowry. I'm Sean Moth. Thank you for joining us. And it begins with Georgetown. I guess this was the weekend where the other team may have scored first, but you scored the most, and not exactly how you draw it up. But in the same light, overall for the weekend, it was a pretty good weekend for you and the team.
Yeah, it was a good weekend. And as you just mentioned Georgetown in that game, and as I reflect and go back, it was a bit of a nightmare start, and it was the first time that I've ever been incredibly disappointed with a win. We started terribly slowly, yep. And our defensive effort was absolutely appalling.
Yeah.
And give a lot of credit to Georgetown because sure. They came out ready to play, and we did have to have a timeout very early in the game, and had a couple of words to the team, and yeah. Give them credit, they responded very, very well, and we finished the game strong. Anybody in particular take that mantle of leadership and kind of drive the team to that win? Because Georgetown scored the first two. I think it might have been a bad bounce on the second goal. I didn't get to witness it, but the Cards score the next four and win it 4-2. Did you have a driving force behind, or was it kind of a collective effort? Without a doubt, and I just got goosebumps underneath my jacket, but Amber Thomas, one of our captains, was absolutely outstanding. She's really stepping up and being a wonderful leader and captain, and this weekend, both games, and particularly that Georgetown game, she was just incredible. Very proud of her effort. Super. Cards head up to Kent on Sunday, and it's a former MAC opponent, or they're still in the MAC. Cards used to be in the MAC in field hockey, but you spot them a goal. But you come out in full vengeance this time. They win 6-1, so I guess if you can remember the last thing about the match instead of the first thing, you feel pretty good about it, but still some frustrations for you. Yeah, and we had a bunch of individual meetings on the bus on the way up, and yeah, we're notorious for slow starts, and it took 3 minutes this time to have a goal against us, and it was here we go again. But for the negative that is for our team, it's a massive positive that we can come back very, very strongly, and we played some terrific hockey, and after that goal was scored, and we had contributions all over the field. But in particular, our leadership group, I would say Amber Thomas again was fabulous. Erin Conrad made some very great saves, some quality defensive work, and also Becca Maddock and Erin Schneitmiller. Yeah. They both had great games for us, and turning into solid, consistent performers over the course of the season. Sure. Bottom line for the Cards, a 2-0 weekend. More importantly now, 7-3, but 1-0 in league play, a big win over Georgetown at home. You've got to take care of business in this league because there's a few opportunities to get Big East wins. The next opportunity presents itself this weekend at Syracuse, undefeated, ranked second in the country going into the weekend. This is one of the nation's elite teams, and I guess you and your team just has to focus on it as a great opportunity. Yeah, it is a massive challenge, but we say with every challenge it's an opportunity, and Syracuse is a very good team, and they're very well coached, and I don't think that they've lost at home for years, like 30-something matches. But it's an opportunity for us, and actually it will be the last time we play them at their field when they're part of the Big East, so it's a great opportunity for us, and we're going to have to be absolutely on our game. We cannot have a slow start, but the beauty of sports and field hockey in particular, anything can happen on the day, and we'll be prepared. Yeah, looking at the Cards' 3 losses this year, all ranked teams, so it's certainly been a solid year and solid competition, which has been the tradition at U of L, and it continues to close the weekend. You guys are at Albany, and I know fans listening that maybe follow other sports, Albany, but in the world of field hockey, upstate New York, they get things done. They do. They're a very tough opponent, and they've been a solid, consistent, ranked team for many, many years now. I'm very familiar with them, so it's going to be another challenging game for us, and particularly when we're on the road. You know, and we're travelling a long way. It's going to be a tough weekend, so we better be ready. Not exactly the simple direct flight either, so with that we wish you simple and safe travel, and best of luck this weekend. Thank you very much. For Justine Sowry, I'm Sean Moth. We hope you follow along on UofLSports.com. We look forward to chatting again next week right here in Cards TV.